For an all-in-one tool to tackle both stapling and nailing projects, look no further than Arrow's T50PBN heavy-duty staple gun and nailer. This versatile tool has all the capabilities of Arrow's T50 staple gun, with the added benefit of firing brad nails. With a jam-resistant rear load mechanism, an all-chrome steel housing, a staple viewing window, and a comfortable grip, this tool is convenient for both professional jobs and projects around the house. The T50PBN works with all sizes of T50 staples, as well as 5/8" brad nails. Arrow offers online video instructions for reloading and unjamming this tool. Proudly made in the USA, this impressive staple gun and nailer features a powerful spring coil made in a 1500-degree furnace. It's tough enough to handle any job you could throw at it. The T50PBN is ideal for upholstery, installation, craft projects, trim work, general repairs, and more. Thanks for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. Be sure to tag Arrow Fastener on social media. We'd love to see the projects you're working on.